Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna go through and I'm gonna take Snake Road down to see a buddy of mine. He's wanting to review the car. Once he gets done reviewing the car, he wants to actually post it up on his YouTube, which I'm cool with. He wants to test out his Vette and see exactly how his Vette stands against the V. I don't know. She's looking dirty today. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that, but she's I washed her 2 days ago, and I don't know if y'all know about black cars, but black cars, they really don't come out and actually stay clean. So I don't know. Stay tuned. We're gonna actually head out, and then we're gonna meet him there. Once we meet him there, we're gonna go enjoy some fun time on the road. We're here. We're headed down Snake Road right now. I'm just getting a little bit in so I can actually remember the turns a little bit more whenever I have to go take on that Vette. I'm pretty sure his Vette's gonna be nice. He's done a lot to it. Can't say enough about that Vette. That Vette is sick. But I think Michelle's got a good handle on the Vette when it comes to cornering and stuff like that. But when it comes to actual straightaway speed, he's got it all day. There's no doubt Michelle can't keep up with him on the straightaways. But Michelle's got that corner balance. I think Veronica's got something for him when it comes to straightaway, but nothing in the corners. He's got it all day. So Burger's getting ready. He wants me to go in front, so we're gonna take it and I'm gonna go up front. He's gonna follow me. kept up with me all the way down to the turnaround point. Once I got to the turnaround point, obviously since I'm on stock pads and everything like that, can't keep up with him. I'll admit that the car's fast. The car's fast as shit. You can smell the brakes. The brakes are a little worn. I don't want to push around these corners and everything like that and end up smoking them through the corner and end up tearing up the car. So I'm just gonna give it to him. That Vette's fast. I give him that. Wish I'd been more prepared to actually take on the Vette. Good job to Booker. Man, you got me. You got me on the V. But it's coming. I know what this car can do, and I know what Michelle can do. I wish I could take you on, Michelle. But with that being said, man, hey, good job. Like I said, I can't keep up with you. Don't want to destroy my car, man.
All right, Pocket. And so tell me what your thoughts were on our little tailgate battle just now.
So just going around, your car is an overall like monster when it comes to curves. Not even gonna front on that. The going down, you kept up with me. You stayed on my back bumper the whole way. There was a few times straight away I would pull away from you just a little bit, but as soon as it came to a corner,
facts,
you got it. Turnaround point came around about the 5th corner coming in. I started noticing that I got a little brake fade. Started to keep up with you just a little bit, and then all of a sudden, like, you'd hit the corners, I'd lose you, and then I had the brake fade and literally went to the floor. So I said, nah, I'm not gonna destroy my car over that. So
fair enough. So even on that first run, which I think y'all see, like, I was struggling with following because I would close the gap and I would be like out of my power band a little bit, and then we'd go to a straight, and then like he hit the gas and just start to walk away from me, and you would just see me like just trying to play catch up, and then we'll come to the corner and it'll be the same thing over and over again. So it's kind of like a accordion effect, but you know, it was still a pretty fun little battle. If he had his track pads up on the CTS-V, definitely would have made for
I mean, it'd been a lot funner to actually get out and do with the track pads. But all in all, my car is definitely a straight line car. I quit building it after I bought my M3, so I never even went back to even starting building this car as far as track wise. So when it came down to this car versus your car, yours got corners all day, mine's got straightaways. So
yeah. Definitely pretty fun. The Vette felt extremely good. Overall, a fun battle, but this round goes to the Vette. But hey, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please do like and subscribe, and make sure to give him a follow also. And definitely stay tuned for the next one. I'm out.